None of the examination papers, even a single question, was leaked. I think this sincerely has now become a thing of the past. All candidates were able to see the contents of the examination at the start of each examination. You can therefore expect all candidates will actually receive grades that belong to them. The number of examination malpractices have been reducing significantly. However, there were some challenges in 3 centers over attempted examination malpractices in Nyandarua, West Pokot, and Garissa. Action was taken very swiftly before any cheating happened. I am happy that the TSC has already taken action. And I want to say this, that I personally have no sympathy for somebody who chooses to do something that he or she is sure that is wrong, and he or she knows the consequences. So the full force of the law will take place to anyone, and if should we discover even during the marking process that there were some that we did not detect at this stage, then you can be rest assured that the full force of the law will take its action. The spirit will be enhanced during KCSE. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, that this is just like a dress rehearsal. The real problematic exam starts on Monday, and we are on full alert. So as far as I'm concerned, my staff and everybody involved in the marking process are going to work according to the schedule that we have, and these particular results will be released long before Christmas. I can tell you that. These particular ones. Why do you want to keep them when we are ready? Because you know we run in our ministry. We now run. We don't walk. So be prepared that these children, before they go to Christmas, they should be able to know which schools they are going to, so that the parents are able to prepare them and they can start their year in the various schools.